remember the tulips. That park, it used to be my favourite. Every Saturday I'd go there. I mean, it's weird to think that I never knew that that would be my last time going. I even got married there. It was a beautiful wedding with only my close friends and family. My birthdays, they were always small but enjoyable. I treasured every one of them until the end. Then my life changed and it all felt so meaningless. Everything was just slipping away slowly. It all felt so meaningless. Everything was just slipping away slowly.